In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stochastic RSI indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to manage this indicator on your chart, so you can start using it in your own analysis right away. First, make sure you're logged in and have your TradingView chart open. On your main chart screen, look towards the top of the page for the Indicators button. It's usually near the time frames and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, including the Stochastic RSI. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see different categories across the top or along the side. From here, click on Technical. This section focuses specifically on technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, and of course, Stochastic RSI. Choosing technical helps narrow things down so you're not scrolling through unrelated tools. Next, in the Indicators window, find the search bar. It's typically at the top of that panel. Click on the search field so you can type in the name of the indicator you want. Using the search bar is the fastest way to pull up exactly what you need instead of digging through long lists. Now, type Stochastic RSI into the search box. As you start typing, TradingView will automatically filter the results. You should see Stochastic RSI appear in the list of available indicators. Once you see it, simply click on Stochastic RSI. This will instantly add it to your chart, usually in a separate panel below your price candles. After the indicator appears, move your cursor over the Stochastic RSI panel. On the left or right side of that panel, you'll see a small toolbar icon that looks like a gear. Click on this settings icon. Here you can adjust inputs like length and smoothing, as well as visual settings such as colors and line thickness. Take a moment to explore these options so the indicator looks and behaves the way you prefer. If at any point you decide you don't want the Stochastic RSI on your chart, you can remove it just as easily. Open the same settings menu for the Stochastic RSI, and this time choose the Remove option. That will cleanly delete the indicator from your chart without affecting anything else. And finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced features, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you can follow along with all my future tutorials and get the most out of your charting setup.